All right, guys, so today we're reviewing the Black & Decker rolling toolbox. Now, this comes with 3 boxes. The top 2 do come off. All you do is pull down on this, pop it up, and it'll come off here. So you can get this one off, and then pop here, and the bottom one, and this one comes off. The bottom box does not come off. It also does not have a lid. It's really more one of those things where you do need one of these boxes sitting on top of it. And you can put either box on top of this. And it'll be fine. Now, from a depth standpoint, to the bottom, you get about 14 inches, 13 and a half with the lip if you're setting another box on top. You might be able to put some of your larger tools in there, drills, maybe a circular saw. It is very lightweight, which I do like a lot. So it's easy to pick up. I think total weight, all 3 on top, it weighs about 19 pounds. So you're not going to have any problems getting it up and down stairs. So that's this box. That's your bottom box. We'll set this off to the side. Our next box here is our middle toolbox. Lids pop up. Nice latches here. They are metal. You have a tray in here, and this can go over here or over here. This tray can also be used in the smaller toolbox. Unfortunately, it does not fit in the large box, but that's okay because you're probably going to end up putting your power tools and stuff in there. So we'll take our tray out here, and again, this is great for small stuff. Set this to the back. Inside our box here, it's empty, no dividers. Now, from a depth standpoint, you're probably going to get 8 inches without the tray. So you can stack this up to about 8 inches. Now, if you put the tray in there, you're going to have a little bit less room. Pretty much you're going to be down to about 6 1/4. That's going to be your depth. So that's going to be underneath the tray. So something to consider if you're going to have a tray in this one, or you're going to put it in the top toolbox. Now, again, we'll just stack this back on top very easily. Just stack it on, push it down, and it locks in place. Now we got a smaller toolbox, and again, this can be on the top, it can be in the middle. Either way works. Now we open this up, and again, we could put our tray in here. So depth-wise, without the tray, safely, you're looking at 3 1/2 probably. I wouldn't worry too much about this. This is going to be for your smaller tools. Maybe you get some hammers you're going to throw in here. Something small. You could probably also get a drill and maybe some batteries in here on its side. But this would be, again, for your smaller tools. And again, width-wise, you're looking at about 18 1/2 by 10 1/2. And that's going to be pretty much the same on all the boxes. So you got a decent amount of space here, which is definitely nice. Closes easily. I like the way it latches. I do like, so it does snap in easily. Really, you want to set the back in like that, then push the front down. So very easy to use. So overall, I think it's a nice toolbox. I really like the mechanism here to take the toolboxes on and off. They latch on very easily. I would like to see this lock loop here would have gone all the way down to here because you can take these 2 off, and it leaves this box wide open. So that would be nice to actually see as maybe a future improvement.